Lamlai constituency MLA KH Ibomcha has categorically stated that BJP Manipur Pradesh and BJP legislators will not remain silent and respond befittingly in case centre works on any design that undermines the integrity of the state. He was speaking on the sidelines of Har Ghar Tiranga campaign organized by BJP Lamlai Mandal in connection with the 78th Independence Day celebration. The rally, which kicked off from the MLA's residence at Nongada, was also participated by many key post holders of BJP Manipur Pradesh, including its Vice President N. Nimbus. Speaking further, Ibomcha asserted that the central government is trying their best towards bringing normalcy in the state, adding that people are enduring untold miseries despite the centre's relentless effort as it takes time to restore normalcy. He went on to state that BJP legislators are not in hurry to form a popular government in the state despite having majority numbers, as the prevailing situation is not conducive for doing so, but rather prioritize on restoring peace and normalcy. While asserting that the central government is doing many good things for the state, including implementation of ILP system, border fencing, supporting the Manipur government's initiatives of conserving reserve forests and identification of illegal immigrants in the state, the MLA maintained that the works carried out by the central government does not arise any point of incongruity and dissatisfaction to the people of the state as of now. Decrying that some people are spreading false rumors about central government endorsing construction of separate roads for Kuki people, Ibomcha expressed confidence that the same government will not do any unlawful things in the state.
India government na ujiksi Manipur da leiba violence solution porong na bidemukta seriously tawbe aba thabak punamuk laukhali koi ima isa kaina ba yaroi daba Manipur da hana ki punna leirakpa ujiksu leimina daba yaroi daba mayam ma yauri ba sena aba yam complicated loiba aduna madugumba mayam leibiduna matam khara lawba geni wani everything will be brought under law. German loan khade amma khangde law na yaba khai adum laini law na yadam khai amta leiro Manipur ki BJP ki party aduga khoi MLA leiri sing se akhoi India gi damuktani first ko aduga ani subada akhoi gi state sigi damuktane state sigi people singda sokadaba state sida sokadaba do aur agadi kanano oirga su modi na haro jo khoi yaro